LaserPecker's smart dual light source laser system creates a new generation of laser engravers, giving you 10-watt 450 nm laser and 2-watt 1064 nm laser in their most powerful laser engraver. Now, LaserPecker 4 can engrave virtually any material. It is paired with a new sliding extension and cutting plate that extends the engraving area. Its dual red light focusing technology achieves accurate focus in seconds. With the cutting-edge laser divider and fast axis collimator (FAC) lens, and compresses high energy into an ultra-fine laser focus. All your laser work will be exquisite with impeccable detail. You can seamlessly switch between two laser sources with just a single swipe. The 1064 nm IR pulsed laser enables 8K HD photo engraving at extremely high speed. Now, you can choose any material and bring all your creative ideas to life by combining it with the dual light source laser module. To further enhance the user experience, LaserPecker 4 introduces a new adjustable rotary axis attachment that allows you to engrave on any curved object surface. The entire process is streamlined with assisted positioning tools and one-touch engraving, enabling you to effectively save time during mass engraving tasks, and the 180-degree rotation gives you more freedom for creative engraving. LaserPecker 4 cuts 8 times faster than previous laser modules and has a maximum cutting depth of 8 millimeters. From idea to creation, we never stop imagining. LaserPecker 4, the world's first smart dual light source laser engraver.